Look at this big guy, Exorex Irides production press. This is the only laser printer that can print at one paper feed 6 different colors. And this is because it uses very fine and small specialized toner particles. So besides the 4 regular colors, C, Y, M, K, as you all know, it can also contain 2 specialized colors among many choices like gold, silver, transparent, white, etc. as you want. With this large scale of color choices, it can cover up to 90% of Pantone colors. Now let me show you the configuration of this machine. This is the simplest configuration with the main frame. Here you got a paper tray. So this machine can print paper of a weight that ranges from 52 gram to 400 gram. And the largest paper size is 330 millimeters times 1,200 millimeters. So you can have a long sheet that goes into the paper tray. Here you got the diffuser unit, then the cooling unit. You warm up here and you cool down here. And finally the finisher. The speed of this machine can go up to 120 pages per minute, so it's very, very fast. Lastly, server, the vertical server, which is the most advanced version of it. So besides the configuration that we show here, you can also choose other options depending on your needs. Now let me show you the inside of the machine. Up here you get 6 different toner, as I just told you. And here, drum units. And every time when you want to change one color, you change both the toner and the drum unit. Here, transfer unit. Please come closer. As you can see, it's brand new. It's shining actually, because we just refurbished this one, okay? It's all new and original. Then the paper tray that goes with the main unit. And you can see the details, just check. You see, even those pickup rollers are very new. In spite of the large size of Irides production press, it also has the advantage of an Exorex, which means that it can be very easily repaired and maintained because everything inside is modularized. Okay, you don't need to tackle with small details. When you want to replace something, you just repair the whole unit, the whole module. So it's really simple to tackle with. Now let's look at the printing effect of this Irides. You can come closer to see the details. So now I gave you a brief introduction of this big guy, and now if you want to have more information, please leave a comment and reach out. Our specialized commercial agents will be here for you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.